morning. Very excited for today. As you can tell by the title, we're gonna be in New York, big city, Big Apple, all that. I think we're gonna have like a picnic type thing, and then we're gonna go into the city later on. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm so excited. Heard about it like yesterday. My dad was just like, we're gonna be in New York, and I was like, cool. Like, we love it. Look at, we got a grill in here. We got some plantain, banana chips, yada yada yada. It's gonna be white. Can I see? Oh, it got out. I was like,
That went down.
You said this is who? That's me. Ah, it's so cute.
I came back up on my Houston tip. Somebody coming back like we scored. So show love and meet somebody you haven't seen before. Yo, cause we out here, we do it all time. With every rhyme, moving up on God's design. The ill creator, I'm far from a hater. I'm blacking it one time, still stacking up that paper, still dropping flavor. The way I'm rocking it is nothing. We all in the house. Yo, put the fist up. Shout out to Frank. Look the way we come through. Now what you think? Ill type of style up in the war, just like a tank. But we came together, enjoying the weather. Look, you know I come through, still rhyme forever. Look, you know I come back, run that we showing the way we got one time, ill style, we flowing, man. Before I go, and let me just hit this one time, that's the way we got, still make it hot. Shout out to the youth and all the kids out here. Let me come through like Craig Mack with some flavor for your ears, so y'all can grow and just move to a king or queen. I mean, always think what you say what you mean. The way y'all come through, you know it's been the best. Hey, freestyle, y'all, I love y'all, the Vegan Fest, look.
Yorker. You wanna hug? I do. Bless you. This one looks worse though. This one looks better. New York, concrete jungles with dreams and haters. So how much are you selling these for? Huh? 20? The wallet? 20? Yeah, I'll do a wallet.
Because you were so brave and you came out here in the middle of Times Square to help me and the guys, you earned $10 dancing on the street. That's for you, buddy. Thank you so much. Yeah, clap for the kid, guys. You guys, man. You guys are something else. Fellas, listen up. This is a very big jump. $20 can save your life and put you in a front safe. $50 you can leave and never come back. $100, he'll go home with you tonight. He'll do it. He's bisexual. He's bilingual.